If you've ever wanted to flip your audio backwards for a fun effect, remix, or creative challenge, today's tutorial is just for you. I'm going to walk you through exactly how to reverse audio in CapCut, step by step. Whether you want to make lyrics sound mysterious, add a unique sound to your project, or just see what a clip sounds like in reverse, by the end, you'll know exactly how to do it, and you'll see just how easy CapCut makes this process. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to open CapCut and import your video clip, the one that has the audio you want to reverse. If you're new to importing, just hit that Import button, find your file, and bring it in. Once it's imported, simply drag the video clip onto the timeline at the bottom of the screen. This is where all your editing magic happens. You'll see the clip appear as a block in the timeline. That means you're ready to work on it. Now, why do we drag it here? This gives you full control over where you trim, split, or, in our case, reverse the audio. It's kind of like laying your work out on a desk before getting started. With the clip settled in the timeline, go ahead and right-click directly on it. Look for the option called Reverse. When you select Reverse, CapCut will start processing your video clip. Depending on your computer speed or the length of your video, this part might take a few moments. Don't worry if there's a short pause while it works. What's happening behind the scenes is CapCut is flipping every single frame an audio sample so it plays from end to start instead of start to end. If you've ever played a tape backwards, that's exactly the sort of effect you're about to get. Once CapCut is done processing, you've got the reversed clip on your timeline, but both the video and the audio are reversed together at this point. Since we're focusing on just the audio, our next move is to separate it from the video itself. To do this, simply right-click that reversed clip again and choose Extract Audio. After you click this, CapCut will automatically pull the audio out as a separate track just below your video. If you glance at the timeline, you'll now see two blocks, one for video, one for audio. This is super handy because it lets you work with just the sound, which is what most projects need. Now, since you only wanted the reversed audio in the first place, you can go ahead and delete the video portion. Click on the now unlinked video clip and press delete. The audio remains safe and sound, sitting in the timeline. At this point, you can play it back and hear what your reversed audio sounds like. It could be captivating, silly, or even a little bit eerie, depending on the original content. Once you're happy with the reversed audio, you're ready for the final step, exporting it. In CapCut, exporting is easy. Just look for the Export button. Choose your desired settings for audio only, like MP3 or WAV, and save it to your computer. This gives you a fresh file of your reversed audio, ready to use in music videos, TikToks, or any creative project you have in mind. And that's it. You've successfully reversed audio in CapCut and exported it for future use. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, drop any questions you've got in the comments, and subscribe for more clear and useful editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.